Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. Alright, so in this video today, I'm going to be taking some of my glass pieces and we're going to create something. So come on with me, guys. So I purchased that scent incense burner from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to use that as a lid. And then I had these glass pieces already in my stash. So I think we're going to go ahead and create something really amazing here. I'm not sure if I'm going to use those black beads, but let's get started, guys. Now, these craft pieces were already washed. I'm just kind of drying them off so I can get started. I am going to get some masking tape, which is sitting right there in the back that I purchased at the Dollar Tree. Also, the black apple barrel paint, I purchased that at Walmart. I'm going to go ahead and see if I can use that masking tape to place a shape on this vase. So you'll see what I mean. If this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I so thank you from the bottom of my heart for supporting my channels. Now always remember to head on over to my community tab where there you're going to see the calendar of collaborations for the month. So I decided to go ahead and use the masking tape. We're going to tape it off at the top. And then I just kind of decided to go in a swirl motion. I'm only going to do a few of these and then we're going to start painting. Now, just to let you know, that vase did come from the Dollar Tree, and this dish here is a part of a 4-pack from the Dollar Tree. Instead of painting it from the outside, I'm going to go ahead and paint it from the inside. So the big vase, I am going to paint from the outside, but the bottom will be nice and clear so that this way the two glass pieces can fuse together if you allow plenty of drying time. Now I did have to go ahead and let my Nala out because she just loves running in that backyard. So let me go ahead and start the painting here. Remember, I went in a swirl motion with the masking tape, not duct tape. And you do want to allow that to fully dry before you pull that tape off. right, so here we're done with the painting, but by the magic of YouTube, we're gonna slide on over and I'm gonna show you what it looks like dry, and then we're gonna start pulling that tape off. If you don't get a straight line, guys, don't panic. Just use something that you can go ahead and I used a pair of scissors, and what I do is I use the edge part just to kind of make sure those lines are straight. So the glue I am going to go ahead and use is the liquid cement they have at the Dollar Tree. It's usually in the auto section next to the Fix All adhesive. I find the cement glue works better, the cement one, versus the Fix All adhesive, just my opinion. Now, you do want to allow 24 to 48 hours of drying time because you need to let that glue cure. Also, you don't want to fool around with it, guys, because you don't want it to fall apart, especially when you're working with glass. Now, you do want to be in a well-ventilated area, so let's move on here to the next step. And just so you know, you can use this glass. This is just something suddenly that I do when I start crafting. I just get up and just start doing stuff. And I think that this piece came out absolutely beautiful. Wait till you see the end result. You can either use it as an accent piece. You could use it with the lid or not with the lid. You can go ahead and place, you can use it for storage. There's just so many different things that you can do with this, but wait till you see what I did with it. So I think it looks absolutely beautiful, and this is what I mean. I decided not to use the beads, and we're going to place that top, which is an incense holder they have at the Dollar Tree. Let's head on over to the reveal, guys. I'll show you what I did. Now, I think this looks absolutely gorgeous. I'm using it as an accent piece right now, currently. and I placed some lights in it. And then I went ahead and placed some black and white pumpkins next to it. I think it looks gorgeous right here where it's at, until I decide what I'm going to do with it. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoy creating it for you. If you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you.